Next term you have to understand that this is change in momentum, and this change in momentum mathematically we denoted by this sign is called delta. So delta p mathematical means the change in momentum, and change in momentum is what? Difference between the final and initial momentum. Okay, now suppose the m is the mass of the body and u is the initial velocity of the body and v is the final velocity of the body. So what will be the initial momentum? Momentum is mass into velocity, so initial momentum will be mass into initial velocity, so mu. So here initial momentum p1 equals to mu. Okay, and final momentum will be what? Mass into final velocity, so final momentum, it is p2, it is mass into final velocity, and this change in momentum will be del p, means final momentum minus initial momentum. Okay, so final momentum is mv and initial momentum is mu, so change in momentum del p will be mv minus mu. Next is rate of change of momentum. This term rate means change with respect to time. So rate of change in momentum means change in momentum with respect to time. So change in momentum with respect to time is called rate of change of momentum. So here this is del p is defined the change in momentum, and change in momentum with respect to time means divide by this time. So this term del p by del t is called the change in momentum with respect to time. So in the this side we have written change in momentum divided by change in time. So change in momentum we have calculated, this is the final momentum minus initial momentum, and change in time we have defined this is t. So this is the change in rate of change of momentum.